Charge na lang kita dyan, bossing. Going bottom. Bote pa siya.
Returned from Novel's realm.
Ano naman binabote mo? Last one. Hindi naakat. Kawawa si Tito Bibe, no? Tingnan mo, nagpa-farm sa Gedli.
Indeed.
Pre, salubungin natin. Gusto mo? Padla slow mo ba? Ayun.
I'm under attack. A spiritual journey. Now I feel better.
Tali ko naman. Ganda na agad. Pakbang.
I go dazzle.
Diyan na inbo.
Travel
Take ya.
on.
Okay
Wait
naman,
for
okay
me.
naman. Nakaka-ano naman.
Healing here.
May armor ata ata, pre.
Now I feel better.
Ay!
From shadow to shadow.
Gusto lang natin, pre.
Priest of Karath.
Harap ka pa.
On my way.
Ember Nuggets.
Regrettably, your middle tower is under attack.
Confirmed.
Gusto lang natin. Yan. Pushing kami.
Dire's structures are fortified.
Of course.
Merson top ka.
Ask and
Para
you'll
makaano sila
receive.
sa baba.
Baba ko na ulit.
Wala dito ako.
Shadows keep
Nice one.
Wala.
Wala daw.
right of passage.
Diyan na sa mid. Going top. Buhay pa, buhay pa. Eating. Poison. Hit, hit. Hit, 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 hit.
You cast no
Can still
shadow
chase.
now.
I have sword.
Who needs healing? Yes.
Pare, dikit ka, pre. Ano
Light.
mo lang dyan?
I'm with you.
Pwede, boss. Dito
Shadows
kaya tayo,
come.
doon. Ito, medyo. Ano gagawin? Dito, dito. Light shot. Ay, S-Ben, S-Ben. Pre, okay ka pa dyan, no?
Shadows come.
Sorry,
Yes.
47 seconds, oh.
Travel on.
Lakad na lang siguro muna, boss. Kasi baka lumipat sila doon, mapag-desisyon na nila kay Drew.
A
Stacking.
spiritual journey.
Stock. Stock
I'm
triangle.
with you.
Mission successfully failed. Regen bossing. Regen, regen.
On my way.
Again, Merson.
Dito kami sa likod.
Indeed.
Patuloy pa siya.
Generation. The shadows cast. Of course.
Ayun na, ito na. Gyro, gyro, gyro.
Confirmed.
Gyro, ito, dali ito. Tayo natin si...
Under attack.
I go where I need to, but never. The weak forward.
Your middle tower is under attack. Just thought you'd
Ano,
want
pre,
to know.
balik tayo dun, pre.
Not while I am around.
Ah,
Your middle tower is under attack.
Who
Just
needs
thought you'd
healing?
want to know.
pushing mid.
Healing here. Rite of passage.
Pull. Dito lang siya, pre. Nice Ben, nice Ben, nice Ben. Nice Ben, bumalik na.
From shadow to shadow.
Sa tayo, Merson. Ay, bumalik.
Shadows keep you.
30 minutes. Pwede rin. Let's see.
Confirmed.
Stocking. Stock triangle, dalawa.
I'm with you.
Pero,
Ben, nag-iikot ah.
Wait for me.
Isa-stack ko yung gyro, pwede ko kuha. Yung ano pala, yung Ben nag-stack.
sana pwede namin i-push na.
Indeed.
Two-set.
Yan ang masarap dyan. 14.
A spiritual journey.
Pero pre.
Dazzle. Into my
Hindi
shadow.
abot ng range. Try ko yung ano. Triangle. Ay, nandun na. Ang back.
Mahirap yan, pre. Out ka.
Checking. Ay, may stock din sila dito.
Rite of passage.
Holy shit.
Travel on.
Ay, itong
On my way. Pretty. Healing here.
I hate to inform you that your top tower is under attack.
Dark light. Who needs healing?
Ano sa baba. Words. Going.
From shadow to shadow.
Going bottom. 3:15, 15 minutes.
Of course. Dazzle.
Kunin ko na yung stack.
Kinuha na. Idol.
Shadows keep you.
Stacking ulit ako dito.
Stack ko lang tong taas, tas kunin natin yung stack nila, pre, dito.
49, 52, 53, 54, 55.
For the shadows.
Stock dito. Lagyan ito ang mission.
Sama ka sa akin, da.
Yes.
Merson, sama ka sa akin. Kuha tayo stack, sama ka lang sa akin. Pagka-clear nito, pre, sama ka sa akin. Ang dami to.
Matapos
Very
na mag-40.
nice.
Pare, nasa 40.
Dyer's structures are fortified.
Gusto namin itong bottom, pwede na kami umikot after.
Meron mo pa isa pa, Merson.
I go
The
where
enemy's bottom tower has fallen.
Mobi. Ay, stairs.
shadows come.
Para Merson,
Hindi,
sama
sige,
ka.
na-slow ko pa yan, pare.
Huwag kayo masyado malalim, pre.
okay lang.
Masyado kayo malalim doon.
Tapos,
Kuha kami ng stack, eh.
okay lang, nice.
Travel on.
Tara, dito na ako. Tara, go, guys.
Shadows keep
Ay, Fisher sana. Okay, go.
Dyer's courier has been
Dikit tayo doon sa nagkuha
Another
ng stock.
innocent Regrettably, your middle tower is under attack. Your middle tower has fallen.
healing here.
Tapos na tayo. May Fisher. Go. Lumaan yun, boss. Kaya likod.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Ito, ah.
Huli. Yan na.
Uli gyro, kayo.
Rubik pa. Rubik yun. Rubik. Ito na. Rubik.
The enemy's top tower has fallen. Excuse me, but your bottom tower is under
Buhay.
attack.
Ay,
Dazzling death.
isa pa, Ember. Heal mo. Ano para kayo?
Journey.
Pre, parang maganda. Tuloy. Sige, may ulit na doon.
From shadow to shadow.
May BB, ah. Sige.
I go where I need it.
Yun, yun.
Works. Wala. Doubles pala. Dito. Nasaan? Wala na umalo.
Murdering. Double kill.
Greedy.
Ay, Dines.
Ay, aga pala.
May words dito, obs. Kaya nakita din. Yan pre, masolid ka na mag-farm yan. Yan sa ags ng draw. Yan. Ayun na,
Your
hypothermia
middle
ka
tower
talaga
is
dyan.
under attack. Just thought you'd want to
Walang
know.
SE dyan. Battle tayo is.
You again.
Yes.
Pero di na yata pwede yung Silver Edge. Kasi may, kaso depende kung mapapoison touch.
Shadows come.
3, 2, 1. Tsaka pang ano rin pre, defensive din.
Magmi-mid game na. Item na. Yes, sir.
Ayan, yan. 20 minutes, pwede tayo mag-early shard.
Item na.
Early turn.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Wait for me.
Does this happen in a stroke of cunning or perhaps of desperation?
Bibi,
Dyer's
bottom.
structures
Pero
have been
stocking
Your
ako ba?
bottom tower is under attack.
Third stock na to.
Alacrity pre. Forge spirits lang.
The spirit of
It would appear
Pwede na kuha itong
that
ano,
your
triangle.
bottom tower has fallen.
Nagtahan din yan.
needs healing.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen. It's hard to see that as anything but advantageous. Oh dear, your
Yeah,
top
tayo, bro.
tower has fallen.
Nice din. Go for support. Lol yun. Tumalong din, tumalong. Skill bossing.
I find it easy to
Skill.
respect.
QWW boss.
Bilis yan pre.
QWW boy. QQQ na lang kung wala. Ginagawa nila, pre. Going.
Walang mana tong ano. Walang mana yun.
Your top tower is under attack.
Nakuha na ba yung triangle? Oh, pre. Go na.
Your top tower is under attack.
You will receive.
No reflection on you, you understand.
Yes.
Saan tayo turn?
Turn tayo guys.
21.
Masarap ang turn.
Turn guys.
Indeed.
Nagong na to.
Of course.
Ano na to? Sakto. Sino pa ulang? Wanna go?
Dazzle.
Yan, dali. Sulit.
Healing here. Shadow wave.
Kung mag-ether beams, lumalapit pa
Travel
ako.
on.
Nice one. Parang nilagay.
Rite of passage.
Kaya tayo mag-sod if you want guys.
Wave.
Nakuha na pala yun. Kaya tayo mag-zone.
I go where I needed.
Tara, yes. Let's do the Rabada. Ay, meron pa pala stock.
Shadows keep you.
Hindi, kami muna. Okay.
Rite of
Siyempre.
passage.
Parang blind spot yung kanan natin. Parang gano'ng vision sa taas.
Travel on.
I have smoke. I have smoke. I have smoke, bro. Nice. Smoke.
I go where I need
Yes,
it.
Ember. We go for Ember.
Oh, silence.
We go for Ember,
I
guys.
am not ready.
So ito malapit. Gusto mo.
Ember, ito na lang. Di naabot yung sword natin dyan. Ito, marap na. Okay na, cute.
Sanctioned by order.
Hypotherms.
Of
The
course.
hypotherms.
From shadow to shadow. light.
Sulit ang sad. Kahit pa paano.
I'm with you. Healing here.
Nawala yata mid. Mid. Check. Narot.
Shadows come.
Ano, patay. Pwede sa baba. Boy.
Ano, napag-crimson ako, pre. Dito mama yung ano niya eh.
Ask
Yes,
and
light
you'll
of peace niya.
receive.
Counter spell agad. Well played.
Saka ang laki ng natulong na itong crimson ng puta doon namatay sa slide.
On my way.
May tier 2 pa. Baka may wala pang tier 2 sa inyo.
Wait for me. Yes.
May smoke pa ako dito.
Pwede. Pwede pa tayo. Pwede na tayo magkaroon actually. Hypothermia na yun eh.
That is bound to pay off.
Journey.
Going.
Sayang good.
Triangle? Okay, go. BB ulit.
BB.
I go where I needed.
Ito na. Hindi, lumayo na ako, tinamaan pa eh. Saan tayo? Tumalikod na. Ay, lumayo na nga ako.
Pagonat! Pinatay!
Well-gotten gains.
Gagan, layo ko na nun kasi. Sige. Ako magigrave sa sarili ko.
Mag-dagger, pre.
Ay, hindi na, pre. Malilate ako. Para ano na lang ako, meta.
Now to my old
Take
tricks
ko ka
again.
isa. Kuha ka isa.
Wait for me.
Daw pala tayo lahat dun. Okay.
Ano kasi ko, pre, utility ako, support ako, pre. Di
From
ako pwede
shadow
mag-
to shadow.
Front lang ako, pre. Di pwede taga-talon. May ES naman.
Of course.
Parang tatlo yung top.
I believe that is a juvenile form of neutral creep.
Pwede na tayo mag-grocer.
Actually, nag-ano na sila.
oh. Daan na kayo ng gate, pwede tayo
Oh,
mag-grocer.
sige, go.
On
Dito kami.
my way.
Okay.
Ayun o, puno pa buhay na
Sod. Ay, wala na akong sod. CD. 5 seconds pa.
Yes.
Wanna go, guys. Tinigil nila.
Confirmed.
Ano, tuloy. Tayo ako wait lang
Travel on.
Ano pa rin, tayo ako Napagil ako.
Ano, base pa.
Taray ko, patay na ako.
Unstoppable. Tuna trace the murder.
Isa lang, support
Ay,
lang.
naubos.
Naubos pa mana nun. Napag tornado EMP ba siya dun? Para kita. Pwede rin. Hapit na. Ay, dalawa pa. Ata. So, yan. Siyempre, buhay mo muna bigay nun.
Shadows come.
Lagang words muna kami.
Indeed.
Ano to? Hindi nila ata yun, ano?
A spiritual
Ayun, parang
journey.
sila. Okay na. Ulit na tayo dun.
Roshan has fallen to the dire. I hope the magnificent creature did not suffer overmuch.
Sentry pala doon, si Idol.
I'm with you.
Iwas mo na, iwas.
Who needs healing?
Iwas pa soy.
A spiritual journey. Who needs healing?
Words ko lang tong bottom. Ayun o. Bottom nga.
Of course.
Wait lang ah. Try lang, try. Pag mamatay.
From shadow to
Mission
shadow.
lang, mission.
Indeed. I'm with you.
Bottom sila.
Yes.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Shadows come.
Does this happen a lot?
So aganim, magdadali itong ano, item ng gyro.
Excuse me,
Pero
but
pag
your
nabuo
bottom
yung
tower
Dagam,
is
side
under
na.
attack.
Ask and you'll receive.
Hindi kasi napunta sa akin yung side nun.
Your bottom tower has
Malapit
fallen.
naman na isa pa ulit.
I go.
Pakabunga up
where
sila
I'm
dyan, boss ah.
needed.
Ay, hindi. Baba na ako.
Your
Tumulay,
bottom
tumulay.
tower is under attack.
On my way.
Tumulay, boss ah. Tumulay ha, tumulay.
Your bottom tower
Ano,
is
second skill
under
mo.
attack. Does this happen a lot?
Wala pa, wait natin, hindi kayo binandro ha, wait pa. Malapit naman ah.
Excuse me, but your bottom tower is under attack. Dire's structures are fortified.
Ay, 40.
Radiant's structures are fortified.
Hindi ka na, ayun ah.
In fact, they appear radiant with health.
Agad, come on. Patay na, ano, patay na. Patay na. Pasok ah. Gyro.
You're safe. Shadows take you. Of course.
Your bottom barracks are under attack.
Ayun naman. Pag ganun tayo, pag
Sure,
ganun.
this can still be
Dito,
remedied.
yes, dito tayo, yes. Yan.
From shadow to shadow.
Game kami ha, paangat kami mga boss ha. Pwede nyo i-go. Pwede nyo i-go mga boss. Dito namin. Ito gyro. Mission par. Wala nyo nila par.
I go where I'm needed.
Your bottom barracks are under attack.
Ano sila? Mission lang.
Grabe, ang tigas.
Isa lang ang mission.
Travel on.
Pwede mo aganoms na lang. Pwede mo i-aganoms na lang. Tsaka mag-patient pa ganda.
Yes.
Top.
I hate to inform you that your top tower is under attack.
Hindi ko lang rin subukan.
Priest of pain.
BAB naman. Okay.
On my way.
Nakasurvive na tayo.
Shadows come.
So, nag-word na. Pero tingin ko nag-word sila din.
Ask and you'll receive.
Hindi ko pa kasi mabuo ito eh. Ether din. Tangiksi. Tanggal lang yan.
A
Farm?
spiritual journey.
Ah, farm. Farm, guys. Tayo mag-farm. Sorry naman. Ibigay. Gawin. Ano yung baris nun? Ay, baby ba? Ako na, ay, baby. Gawin ko lang ako. Boss, di ba? Hindi ko lang na. Mili na nga lang ako. Mas kailangan natin din. Ay, hindi mamili. Baby ulit.
Right
Gusto
of
talaga.
passage.
Grabe, pinupush. Wala tayong ano yan.
Follow like a shadow.
Wala ko. Gagawa mo na. May sod. Huwag tayong mag-sod. Ganun ulit yung ginawa natin na hindi tayo harap nila bumanat.
To shadow.
Wanna go guys.
Now on.
Para mag-hesitate ha. Game.
I hate to say it, but your bottom barracks are under attack.
We go all in. Ganun din ginagawa nila sa atin. Go all in.
I'm with you. Shadows come.
Ah, triangle, maybe.
Shadows keep
Meron yan.
you.
Triangle, tingin ko.
I was distracted for a moment there. What just
Of
happened?
course.
Oh, sa kabila.
Power of
Ah,
a
nag-tormentor.
priest.
Dito naangat.
Travel
Angat yan dito.
on.
Ang tormentor, mga sir. Ay. Saan sila? Wala.
Illusion.
Wala tayo ages. Ito, is Ben. Ben Ember to, boss. Rubik. Nakahil pa, oh. Meron pa kayo. Buyback. Patulungan si Draw, mga sir. Nice. Basag. Ember, pre. Baby. May gyro na. May gyro, pre. Alam nyo kaya? Wala mga buyback yan. Ah, Rubik pala. Rubik ang wala. Combo. Boss.
Let's not dwell on the past. Get right back to it.
Psych shield. I'll go for...
Ask and you'll receive. On my way.
Hirap.
Yes. Who needs healing?
Ayun, ganda ng huli natin dun.
Wait for me. Dazzle! I go where I'm needed.
Ay, nasa'yo. Ay, bossing. Nahabol ah. Chasing, chasing. Ah, Ember. Okay.
Who needs healing? Healing here.
May isod pa yan, bossing. Uwit na ata ako nun. Galim shard na pala. Uy, no, ito, sarap. May Warcry sila. Ayun na.
Regrettably, your middle tower is under attack. Your middle tower has fallen. Let's hope that's the worst of it.
Ano, minama na tayo.
Your bottom barracks are under attack. Your bottom barracks has fallen.
I-drop, pre.
Your bottom barracks are no more, my friend.
Tatalangin ko na. Yan tama, typical build.
Your top tower is under attack.